Okay everybody, we're going to check if a website exists today. So you're going to have to use LWP simple, and we're going to create a subroutine. This is only going to be some very short code, so check URL. We're going to create a URL here, so my scalar URL is going to be equal to http example.com. Okay, so we're going to check the status of this website. So we're going to create a scalar variable called status. I'm going to assign that to head scalar URL. You do a little bit of a shortcut here. That kind of means like if exists or else doesn't exist. Okay, so that's kind of like a shortcut operator. And then we're going to print the page. And we're going to do scalar URL, interpolate this. So that's the page. And let's say the status. Scalar URL status. And a new line character there. Okay, so you need to import the LWP simple module into this. If you've not already got it, you can install it through pip. So we're going to type in check, not pip, sorry, that's Python, cpan, sorry about that. Pip is for Python. Okay. I'm just going to save it. We're just going to run it. This page doesn't exist. I think it should have been HTTPS. Okay, let's run that. Made a little bit of a mistake there. It should be HTTPS. It should be 2 forward slashes. Okay. Right, it says this page https example.com exists. Now if we just change the URL a little bit like that, let's save it, let's run it, see if that site exists. The page doesn't exist, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.